Hi, it's Kathy O'Connell at Radiant Abilities. If you have never seen me before, Radiant Abilities is a place where we help people with disabilities in gaining self-esteem and confidence to date successfully with a disability. And today I'm kicking off a 4-part live series that each of the 4 parts will feature one strategy for successful dating with a disability. I will put in the comment area links into a podcast on each strategy, links into a resource guide on how to take each strategy and apply it to your life. And for those interested, a recorded workshop I have with all 4 strategies. But today I'm going to talk about the first strategy, and that is positive beliefs about yourself as a dating partner. And an encounter that I had earlier this week best illustrates this. I was messaging with a woman over in Europe who is looking to date and to meet someone in the U.S. because she believes although she doesn't say it, what she says is, no one here in my country looks at me because I am blind. I believe that there is a thought rather than a fact, but many times we take things we think and believe that they are indeed fact, and then we live our life based on that false belief that we think it's a fact. And when she messaged that, I thought, really, like a whole country, I don't think there's not anyone that would look at you. I really thought that was more her limited belief about what she thought could be possible for her. And trust me, I know it's hard to get the attention of people when you have a visible disability. I lived that way for many years, and what I found is when I began believing differently for myself, other people began to notice me. So, strategy number 1, positive beliefs about yourself. Now, it can be hard when you're in a world that is still full of judgments and perceptions and ableism. But here's what you do. You become aware of when you have a negative belief about yourself regarding dating. And you begin to catch yourself and undo that negative thought with something you do like. a positive about yourself. And one of the links I'll put in the comments is into a resource guide on affirmations. Now, affirmations can get a bad rap because some people say, oh, you're gonna tell me to lie to yourself. No, affirmations help you retrain your brain from the negative to the positive. If you use a wheelchair, let's say, maybe it's not great to have an affirmation thinking you have, that physical ability that you might not ever have. But there is so much about you, your personality, what you've been through, who you are, that is positive. Let's focus on that. So I would encourage you, if you're someone listening to this and saying, yeah, it's been rough dating, I don't get a lot of favorable feedback, it's making me doubt myself. I would encourage you to look at your thoughts, look at the negative thoughts you have about yourself, and then replace them with positive ones. And if you want to check out the resource guide that I will have in the comments, go and do that. See if any of them work for you, or come up with your own and begin saying to yourself those more positive messages, because let me tell you, no one needs to leave an entire country or even continent to find someone who will take an interest in you. There is someone out there for you closer than you think. I will also put the link to the podcast I did this week on taking a deeper dive into the strategy, and I'll be back next week with strategy number 2. Take care.